Hi guys, well today we had an interesting gentleman turn up, a motorcycle rider who was out trail riding yesterday, and as he stepped off his bike he stepped down a hill, did some damage to his gastrocs. So let's have a look and see what we do with this in the initial stages, and then we'll follow it through as time goes on. Guys, Paul has come in today with a problem through his calf. On assessment we found he's got a bit of a grade 2 tear in the medial head of his right gastroc. Okay, as he pushes his toes back, we get pain just in this area here, and you palpate through, you can feel where the tissue has been separated. So he did this yesterday falling off a motorbike. You don't want to know how because it'll just make you laugh. So what we're going to do is a bit of Kinesio tape to support the area, and continue with some rest ice compression and elevation as we always do in those first 48 to 72 hours. Okay, so around about 80% stretch, but we're also taking the fascia more proximal as we come around the site, lay the tissue, lay it down. The other thing that we are going to do to give a bit of pain relief is do a transverse taping in order to give a little bit more compression through there. So all we're going to do is split the tape around about 90% stretch, nothing on the ends as usual. Just bring your leg up for us please, Paul. That's it, and lay that one down there. Just relax it, mate. That's it. Okay. So now I'll get you to push your toes back again, please, Paul. How's that feeling now?
Yeah, nothing now.
Nothing now? Okay. So this is just purely for pain relief, and also to pull the tissues back closer together to help with the healing phase. As I said, Paul is going to continue his icing and compression bandage over there as well. Okay, so that's what you do with a low grade 2 muscle tear. Thank you guys. Alright, so that's what we've done with Paul today, and we'll follow him up on Friday at the end of this week. So another 4 days. Thanks for watching guys, stay safe.